They raided us last night because they were looking for their gadgets. As you saw in the video, when one police officer was questioned what he wants, they said they are looking for tower. Now, Afande Nkore, the head of police in Lango and Teso, has told me that they are looking for tower because they allege that he stole a laptop from them and he also stole a jammer from them, a sensor and a bag. As of now, 7 of them have been released, but 10 of them remain incarcerated. I have spoken to Commissioner of Police, Afande Nkore, who is the head of Lango and Teso, and I've expressed our concern to them, and I've also questioned why the police in Lira refused to record a statement.
Twagudewo emisango omuli robbery ne malicious damage era nga twakutteyo mu bantu baabwe twakutteyo abantu 10.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.